My label maker was taken by terrorists. The terrorists want some whiskey and some Icelandic candy. They won't get it.
True, who would want a whiskey and a thrister?
The thrister thing points towards an Icelandic person. This is Árni's involvement. I think it could be a conspiracy. I think we have to find where this table is. Aha. Oh yeah, it's a flight case. That's a flight case. This is a flight case, guys. Have you seen my label maker? No. This picture is taken right here. So the label maker has been here. Ah. I think they're fired anyway, to be fair. I think it's Flo. Kai could easily get away with this, to be honest, because I wouldn't expect him to do this. It's Árni. I think it's Max and Árni. Árni did the second thing. But it doesn't really matter, we just have to find it. Together, boys.
So, go.
Now you bring it? We're starting the show. Taking it with me.